Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I feel like when I'm looking at, I'm filming on my phone, first of all. And so I feel like when I'm looking at myself, that I'm looking off to the side. So if that's the case, I apologize. I'm sorry. But today I am just going to film my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February. That's where we are. I have two boxes. I have the base box and then the premium box. I'm just going to continue to get both for a while, see kind of how I feel. I know March is a Luxe box, so I'll get Boxy Luxe and Boxy Premium. And so yeah, I guess I will just go ahead and get started. For those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. The base box is $25 and then the premium box is $35, and you can do one or the other. Initially you had to do both, but now you can pick what you want. You can just do premium or you could just do base. But in order to get Luxe, you do have to have the base box to upgrade. So that's that. I'm looking festive in my Valentine's. I'm filming this on Valentine's Day. So yeah, anyway, like I said, I've got both boxes. This is the regular box, and then let me grab the other one. This is the premium. You can see the size difference, very big. So I guess I will just go ahead and get started with the base box this month. This is the pamphlet that came inside. It's very cute, and it's called Boxycharm Adore. And yeah, so let's just hop into it. The first thing I got was this Kate Somerville Kate Active Biomimicking Peptide Serum. It's supposed to smooth, lift, and firm. So basically what I've gotten the gist of from this is that it has a lot of peptides and different things. For a while I was using the ordinary copper peptides, and copper is supposed to be really good for your skin. And so are peptides in general. I will be using this because this retails for $98. And so I'll just introduce it into my skincare when I run out of my current, which is the ordinary one, which is $30. Big price difference, but I was excited to get that in the box. And then the next thing I got was this brush set from Alamar Cosmetics, and these are really cute brushes. I was super excited about that. So the first one, this is the bronzer brush, and it's a flat top brush. I would use this more for buffing on powder foundation or cream products in general, like a cream bronzer. Even foundation you could use this for. I do like the shape of them. They are super soft, but I got that brush. This one is the complexion brush. So bronzer, blush. I like this angle for blush personally, but you could totally use this for bronzer or anything as well on your cheeks. And then the last one that it came with was the brightening brush, and this would be perfect for under eye setting powder. I think it's probably what I'll end up using it for, but you could also use it for highlight or anything like that. So I'm excited about that. They're really cute brushes, and those retail for $36. Okay. And then the next thing I got in my base box was the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And y'all, didn't even know that this was going to be in a box, but I was super excited when I saw it. I was like, is this a highlighter? What is this? But it's a setting powder. And this is it outside of the packaging. It's just a translucent loose setting powder. I have not used it yet, but I'm taking it with me this weekend, and I plan on using it because it smells like coconut, and who doesn't love that? So I'm super excited about this. Who doesn't love a setting powder either? And it's coconut. Like, it checks all my boxes. Checks them all. So, and that retails for $22. Okay, and then the next thing I got was this Pretty Vulgar Faux Real Mascara, and it's an extreme volumizing mascara. And I'm excited I got a mascara too, because I am almost out of the one that I'm currently using. So the packaging is super cute on this, and then the inside is like an hourglass shape, just typical volumizing mascara wand, and so I will definitely get some use out of that. I'm excited. That retails for $23. Okay, and then the last thing I got in my box, my base box this month, was this Queen I think that's how you pronounce it, liquid lipstick. And this retails for $17. And it's this shade, which is a very pretty mauve-y shade. Very on trend, very popular. Y'all know, if you know me and if you've seen my makeup collection, I have so many lipsticks that I will never go through. It's insane. So I'm probably going to put this aside to give away to a friend or in a giveaway or something like that. So I will put that to the side because I know that I won't use it. But like I said, that retails for $17. So altogether, my base box was worth $196, and I was very pleased by it. I thought that it was very good. You got a little bit of skincare, you got a little bit of makeup, you got some tools. Like, it was just a well-rounded box in my opinion. So now we move on to premium. Okay, same kind of little cutout for premium, and I guess we'll just hop on in to what we got in there. The first thing that I got was this Sutra. I just want you to know, for the longest time, I was calling this Surat, which is a makeup brand, and I just thought that it was the same thing. Excuse me. I thought wrong. You know, nobody corrected me. I corrected myself, so that's fine. Anyway, this is a Sutra Beauty, and it is a flat iron. I am actually going to keep this and use it for travel so that I don't have to travel with my other flat iron, so that I can preserve the life of it. But it's just a ceramic flat iron, and this is supposed to retail for $79, which is the price of like a chi at TJ Maxx or, you know, whatever. I don't know if people are against using cheese anymore or whatnot, but that's what I use. So anyway, I got that. The next thing I got was this Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and I love a good setting mist. And they have it taped up, so I can't pull it out, but it's just a setting mist. I'm gonna sit here and try and probably destroy this packaging, so it's fine. I know that I'll use it, so I'll just bust it up. All right, so this is what the mist looks like. It does have like an oil or something in it because it is separated. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It is separating, so you do have to shake it before you use it. But it's a hydrating glow radiance mist. And I'm assuming that you can use this before makeup, use throughout the day, before and after makeup. So I love a good just spray. And it's just a watermelon glow mist. It doesn't say that it's a setting spray. So I'm excited to try it. I don't know. Glow Recipe excites me. We've gotten it a few times in the box. But, you know, I'm always down to try something new. And it's a good brand. That retails for $28, that spray. Okay. And then the next thing we got, or I got, was this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. I love the ambient lighting powders from Hourglass. They are incredible. And the bronzer is beautiful, but I don't have a blush. So I was excited to get one because it'll tell me if I need more. But this is the packaging. And then on the inside, this is the color that I got. It is a brighter blush. This is called Diffused Heat, but I think it'll still be pretty. I'll still use it. Especially since it's an Hourglass product, I will definitely have to try it out and see if I like the formula. And it's something I feel like you could use lighter and make a little bit more natural. But then if you have like, today I had to use a little bit more blush to balance my face with this lip because it's a darker lip. And I feel like you could build it up and do that with this. So I am excited about that. I will be taking that with me this weekend as well. Why not, right? Okay. And that retails for $40, the blush. Okay. The next thing in my box was this, I don't even know how to say this, fascia, whatever. Anyway, this is what the packaging looks like. This is a gold foil moisturizer. I've seen a lot of different things going on about this moisturizer that it's like sold on Wish for like $1. But it retails for $100 in the Boxycharm box. So I don't know. I'm interested. I'll have to see. It says that it has gold in it. Water, glycerin, gold are the first 3 ingredients. And then there are some other things in here as well. It's got some different oils and all that jazz. So we're going to pop it open and I will show y'all inside. I don't know. $100 skincare item is exciting. But for me, they weren't like advertising it as one of the main selling points in the box. So I think they kind of realized that it's an unknown brand that people aren't going to really care about that much, if that makes sense. Or maybe they just know that it's not worth it. But this is what it looks like. It honestly looks like the YSL foundation, or not foundation, primer that has gold in it. Or what's the other one? Guerlain, the gold. I will have to try this. It says that it's a moisturizer. It'll make me feel bougie because it's got gold in it. But gold topically on your skin does nothing from what I've heard. So we'll see. But $100 retail value, or $100 retail value is a lot nonetheless. Okay. And then the next thing I got was this Tarte base tape. This is a hydrating foundation primer. Just a hydrating primer. I am excited to try this. I do like getting Tarte. Sometimes the stuff that we get from Tarte is kind of boring. And to me, it honestly kind of reminds me of the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I had to think for a second because it's just a hydrating primer. But they are nice to have on days where your skin feels dry to use. So, not bad. Not overly exciting though. And that retails for $30. Okay. And then the last thing I got was this Korres body butter. I got one of these from my mom because she got it in a FabFitFun and she didn't like it. She said it was breaking her out. So she gave it to me. I love it because it's a coconut scent. So y'all know that's my jam. This one is Lily Bouquet. And so I haven't smelled it. I'll have to try it. Floral scents kind of are a hit and a miss for me. If it smells too like powdery, I'm gonna have to say no. But if it just smells like dainty and fresh, then I'm all about it. This is a gigantic size. This retails for $32 and body butters are always nice to have. So that brings the retail value of my Boxy Premium I can't speak. That brings the retail value of my Boxy Premium to $310. So I spent $35 for $310 in value. And then I spent $25 on the regular box for, I wrote it down, $196. Regardless, I think I got a good spread of stuff this month. You got a little bit of skin, a little bit of body, a little bit of makeup, hair, just a little bit of everything. And I'm really excited. Super excited because some of the stuff that's coming in premium, or not premium, the stuff that's coming in Luxe next month, I'm so excited for. And then the premium box next month is a Fenty focused box. It's all going to be Fenty Beauty. I've seen all the spoilers for what's going to be in that box, and I'm excited because Fenty is not a brand that I just like go out and buy everything that they release. So it'll be neat to try some different stuff. But then some of the stuff there is in the box, it's kind of like, oh, well, I know why that's in the box because you're not selling it at Sephora. So anyway, thank y'all so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what y'all are doing for Valentine's Day. I don't know when I'll post this, either the day of, or the day after, just depending on kind of what goes down. And how my life plays out. But I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.